Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to uninstall Meetup application on Android. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your settings application. Now scroll down and find apps. Once you find it, tap on it. Using the search icon on the top, find the Meetup application. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, in order to uninstall the Meetup application, tap on Uninstall button on the bottom. And if you are sure, then tap on OK. And that is how you can easily uninstall Meetup application on Android. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.